Learn Gujarati fast. Sounds good, I like that, and
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
welcome to Gujarati with a smile. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati without sounding like a robot ordering socks from outer space. Relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the chaos. Today you will learn 6 super useful phrases in Gujarati. They help you react, ask politely, show uncertainty, and sound warm and human. We will use
સારું લાગે છે.
for, sounds good,
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
for, that would be great,
મને ખાતરી નથી.
for, I am not sure,
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
for, I would like,
મને તે ગમે છે.
for, I like that, and
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
for, I hope you're well. If your pronunciation feels wobbly, that is fine. Even confidence sometimes says,
મને ખાતરી નથી.
your survival phrases. Let's meet the stars of today's chapter. Say each one out loud like you mean it. Sounds good, in Gujarati is.
સારું લાગે છે.
Imagine a big green check mark smiling at you. That would be great. Is.
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
This is for happy future possibilities. I am not sure. Is.
મને ખાતરી નથી.
Very useful when your brain has gone on a tea break. I would like, is.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Use it to start polite requests. I like that, is.
મને તે ગમે છે.
Point, smile, approve. I hope you're well, is.
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
A warm phrase for messages and polite openings. A tiny story in a big market. Now let's throw you into a lively market scene, because vocabulary remembers better when it has drama. Even tiny drama. You walk into a busy market in Ahmedabad. A seller waves and you begin politely.
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
The seller smiles, probably because nobody has started with such excellent manners today. You see a bright blue cup and say,
મને તે ગમે છે.
then you point and begin your request.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
1 cup, please. The seller says there may be a discount if you buy 2. You grin and say,
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
your friend suggests matching plates too. You nod.
સારું લાગે છે.
Then the seller asks if the cups are dishwasher safe. You freeze, stare into the distance, and answer with honesty worthy of an award.
મને ખાતરી નથી.
Congratulations, you just survived a market and a grammar lesson. Mini dialogues you can steal. These are short, useful, and dangerously easy to reuse in real life. Borrow them shamelessly. Friend, shall we meet at 6? You.
સારું લાગે છે.
Colleague, if you can join tomorrow, that would help a lot. You.
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
Teacher, is this answer correct? You.
મને ખાતરી નથી.
Server, yes, what would you like? You.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
T. Shopkeeper, do you like this one? You.
મને તે ગમે છે.
Email opening, hi Neha.
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
Say it, feel it, remember it. Let's glue these phrases into your memory with funny images. Your brain loves weird stuff. 4.
સારું લાગે છે.
Imagine your cat hearing dinner plans and giving a serious thumbs up. 4.
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
Imagine fireworks spelling out a future plan in the sky. 4.
મને ખાતરી નથી.
Picture a fortune teller peeking into a crystal ball and whispering, honestly? No idea. 4.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Imagine a very polite parrot at a cafe starting every order with great dignity. 4.
મને તે ગમે છે.
Imagine pointing at a random lamp like an art critic with dramatic eyebrows. 4.
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
Picture even your cat sending formal emails before knocking your glass off the table. Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a tiny challenge. If you get one wrong, you are still brilliant and probably just under-caffeinated. How do you say, sounds good, in Gujarati?
સારું લાગે છે.
How do you say, that would be great?
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
What is I am not sure?
મને ખાતરી નથી.
How do you begin a polite request with, I would like?
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
How do you say, I like that?
મને તે ગમે છે.
How do you write, I hope you're well? In Gujarati?
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
Build your own lines. Now you do the driving. I'll give you the idea and you can plug in the Gujarati phrase. Your friend says, let's go after lunch. You reply.
સારું લાગે છે.
Someone says, if we finish early, we can rest. You answer.
એ બહુ સરસ હશે.
A person asks, will it rain? You say honestly.
મને ખાતરી નથી.
You are in a restaurant and want to order politely.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
A friend shows you a cool bag. You say.
મને તે ગમે છે.
You begin a kind message to a colleague.
આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
Wrap up and keep going. Nice work. You just learned phrases that make your Gujarati sound more natural, polite, and alive. Let's say them one last time together.
સારું લાગે છે. એ બહુ સરસ હશે. મને ખાતરી નથી. હું ઈચ્છું છું. મને તે ગમે છે. આશા છે કે તમે સારા છો.
Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing, say the phrases out loud, and do not worry about being perfect. Every small repetition helps, and honestly, even when you forget something, you already know how to say.
મને ખાતરી નથી.